This 2023 Grand Design Solitude S-CLASS 3740BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. This new Grand Design is 40 feet 9 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, a stone interior, sleeps 8, oven, Colorado detector, TV antenna, stovetop burner, leveling jacks, water heater, smoke detector, awning, air conditioning, microwave, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Solitude S-CLASS 3740BH is 13,884 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV, visit RVUSA.com.